Let's get to meteorologist Sam Schreier at 5:15 to check in. I know we're always in fire danger here in Colorado, but we did get some recent snowfall.
Well, I thought I would follow up on what you guys are talking about with the wildfire concerns. What we really want to really limit or mitigate fire concerns through the summer is going to be a healthy spring snowpack. So we are in February and now the first day of March, and this is what our snowpack is sitting at. It's about normal. So statewide, the snowpack is just a few percentages below normal, 96%. You want these numbers at 100% or above. So in past snowier years, there's a lot more of that blue color in Colorado, where a lot of those basins are up above 110%. This year, we're struggling a little bit. Now, we did have some help last week, but it still only kept us about near normal. In our drought monitor, there's still a fairly considerable amount of drought through the state. In fact, all of Colorado is seeing some form of drought, but there's quite a bit of severe drought from the mountains and all across the plains, and actually still quite a bit of extreme drought across the San Luis Valley. Now, when we look at the extensive danger this week, Thursday into Friday is probably where fire danger is most susceptible. Thursday is going to be a record warmth day, but Friday actually has more wind, so Friday may be more of a widespread fire danger day. We did get cooler this weekend, which will limit the fire concerns because the humidity will go up, and we could see some light snow, but don't get too optimistic about snow for the weekend. It doesn't look overly promising in the modeling that we see so far. Hopefully that changes because we still want more moisture going into this month. 30s and a few 20s out there in the Pikes Peak region, 27 at the Air Force Academy, 29 at Woodland Park, but mid-30s along Powers and near downtown. 31 at Walsenburg with 20s out east. So the Eastern Plains along Highway 50 closer to Lamar continue to be one of the coolest spots in the plains, but the valleys from Westcliff to Alamosa are still starting in the single digits today. It's a quick warm-up going into the mid-60s in Colorado Springs. In Pueblo, we can actually pull some 70s out later on today. This is a map view of how warm we're going to get. Some of the best stuff will be out east, La Junta, Springfield, Lamar into the mid 70s. Pueblo very close, same with Canyon City. But that brings us to our Super 7-day. The next thing to watch is probably our record potential on Thursday. So I'm forecasting a high of 72. The current record is 71. That was set back in 2009. And this is about 20 degrees above average. So if we can tie the record, which it looks like we'll beat it, that'll be really, really warm. Fire danger starts to climb on Thursday, but it is more widespread and dominant on Friday. We'll then cool into the weekend. Right now, Sunday is our best chance for light snow with some flurries on Saturday and Monday. In Pueblo, I actually keep us dry through Saturday. I think fire danger and the warmth is our two bigger concerns going through the end of the week. It is possible we'll actually warm Thursday up to 80. But we're going to need a little bit more wind to get there. And then maybe just a couple stray flurries on Monday. Honestly, the weekend chances of snow don't look very good for Pueblo. For Canyon City, I would say a couple flurries are possible Saturday. A bit more likely of flurries to light snow Sunday, but warmth and fire danger are a bigger concern at the end of the week. And Woodland Park, we're going to be in the 60s and 50s through the extended, and then we do have more of that more of that moisture over the weekend. We're going to go to our